Hello, it's me, Scott. I'm opening another Disney Doorbell Let's Go box. It's B12. And it's time to open it. I'm whipping this box. Okay, which blind bags I got? 2. Not 4, 5. I got 5. I got 2 balls of Peter Pan. I'm gonna give one to my cousins, and I'm gonna open the next one. I'm gonna get. I got whips. A new one. Okay, I know Peter Pan's a common. Wax is a common. I'm not Piglet. This one's gonna be me. I got green alien, and I got a rare, and this is the last one. I got Olaf. He's a rare, and I got 2 double. I got 1 triple, and 1 double, and 3 new ones. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.